What is up, guys? It's your boy Kevin here with a brand new video. Now today I'm going to be showing you how I got funded in 2 days by FTP. So for those of you that don't know what FTP is, aka Funded Trading Plus, it's a prop firm that I already made a video on and got a payout from. I'll put the video right up here if you want to check it out. I gave my review on them and I also show proof of the payout as well. Now back to the video. So in January I went on a little bit of a losing streak and I ended up losing my Funded Trading Plus account. So I decided to purchase another account yesterday. I decided to purchase a brand new 100k FTP account yesterday, the one phase, and I just passed it today. So I guess I could say that I passed it in 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. So for those of you that are funded out there, that are profitable traders, even us as profitable traders, we still mess up. We still have days or even weeks where we don't follow our risk management plan or just losing streaks. And that's totally normal. We're human. We're not robots. So even as a profitable trader, you can still lose your funded accounts. It's just part of being a trader. It's the reality of being a trader. The goal is to maintain it as long as possible. If forever, then awesome, but sometimes things just don't go our way, and that's totally okay. As profitable traders, you also have to look at the bigger picture. Like, yeah, I lost this account, but I already got like 3 payouts with it, so I made back more than what I spent on the account. So let me just buy a new challenge, take my time, pass it, boom, and get bread again. That's how you gotta look at it. Even if you're profitable, you can still mess up. You can still have bad days. It's totally normal. And that's just the reality of trading. So I bought this challenge yesterday. I'm going to show you a clip that I already recorded of me. Because I'm recording this after I passed challenge. I'm not recording this before. So I already recorded the clips of me taking the trades. And I'm also going to analyze the trades that got me to pass the account with you guys, so you guys can see my thought process and why I took those trades with the supply and demand strategy that I use from Doyle Exchange. The next clip you'll see is basically me passing the exam. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna be a very short video, just showing me, passing the challenge. And yeah, we did it in 2 days. Not bad at all. Can't complain. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, we are in a AUD CAD trade for a sell. I took this trade sometime early yesterday and I've been holding like all day. I took it on the 9th of February. Today's the 10th and it's 8:50 in the morning. News just came out at 8:30 for AUD CAD, which really helped push this down. Let me show you guys right here at 8:30 for the CAD dollar. And yeah, it pushed it down. Now it's doing a little bit of a pullback. Hopefully it doesn't hit my trailing stop. I really want this to hit my TP, because then we can pass this challenge with this trade. Let me actually look. Okay, yeah, it might end up, because it might want to come hit this area right here before going down again. Maybe should I get out? I don't know. But anyways, whether this hits my trailing stop or might take profit, I'm going to give you guys my analyzation of this trade, if that's even a word, why I took it. Either the next scene will be hitting my TP or hitting my trailing. We'll see. And then we'll analyze this thing. Alright guys, we are back. It did not hit my trailing stop. It came up here and then it went down and it's at 9,000. It's about to hit my TP. I just need $600 more and we passed it. So hopefully it keeps pushing. We're just gonna sit here and hope that it hits TP. But every time I start recording, we always get some kind of pullback. Maybe I just keep jinxing myself by doing that. Alright guys, it's pulling back, so I guess I'll give you guys another update. Who knows what's gonna happen. So annoying. We're about to hit TP. Come on, hit it. 500 more. I'll even close it manually if we get to 110. No, I closed it manually before we got to 110. No, why did it do that? It was moving too fast. All I need is literally like $50 now. Bruh. What the actual fuck? Now I gotta find a trade where I can make a quick $60 with a small little lot size. I'm gonna just make this $60 and call it a day. Hopefully this trade does it. If not, then I'll just have to make like 100 something off a trade, but that small trade won't matter. I pretty much passed. When I closed it at 110 and it just took a minute to close, and then you guys saw it. I closed it manually, whatever. But we pretty much passed. It's only yeah, I'm gonna get this trade and then yeah. Alright guys, as you guys can see now, we have officially passed the account. I will also, as I'm doing this, screen record me going into, well, actually I can just go to history right here and show the trades. Yeah, I don't need a screen record. I could actually just do this. You guys can see all the trades I took here from when I got the account till when I finished it. So right here, after we got this, my AUD CAD trade ended up almost hitting my TP. It got to 110 and I manually clicked, and as it was closing, it went to 109. So I'm like, fuck, I gotta make like 40 bucks. So I kept trying to make the money and I was losing, and then I found this one trade, boom, made all this back and got it to 110. So there we go. So yeah, we passed it. You guys saw all the trades I took. I'm gonna analyze the trade that basically got me to pass the challenge, the $9,000 trade, 9,900 something, with AUD CAD. Also, before I do so, I want to show you guys as well, you know, the email from them stating that I passed. I'm gonna refresh so you guys can see that, you know, I indeed got the email from them, and I'll also pop up their dashboard. So I'll refresh this as well, and you guys can see that I reached their balance of 10,000, and it says congrats, you have passed. And you know, I should receive an email from them either today, because it's Friday, so either before market closes I should receive the account. If not, then I'll have it by Monday when they're back, you know, back on a business day. But since it's Friday, I might not see it today, but if I do see it today, then even better. So now let's analyze this trade. All right guys, this is my third time trying to do this video of me analyzing this trade, and I failed the first 2 times. The second time I didn't even record my screen. Now I got it down, I think, hopefully, because I'm not doing it again. But let's go back all the way up here, back in time on the AUD CAD. So let's hit the replay bar and go back in time, and let's actually wipe everything clean, just so you guys can kind of see how I analyze everything fresh. So I start off on the 4 hour, right? And I'll analyze, and I'll mark up the closest support and resistance on the 4 hour from where we're at. So then this is the closest on the top, and I'll mark down on either side. So this is the closest on the bottom side. And then from there, I'll go to the 5 minute, which is where I take all my entries. And then I'll start looking for my setup. So as you can see, everything's going on an uptrend, right? But right here, you might not notice it, but we actually did break structure, a very small structure right here, right? Because this high is a little higher than the previous high, which means it created this low right here, and this candle went below that. So it did break structure. It's not a strong structure, but it was broken indeed. So with the next candlestick, it gave me confirmation for sure that structure was indeed going to the downside now, that everything was gonna start pushing down. So let me remove this line, and now I'm gonna mark up my supply box, right? So I'm gonna do this right here, and then as we can see, we left this gap. You'll notice it more on the next candle. We have 2 candles printed. In this push, there's this little gap that's left that has to be filled right here. I'm marking it right there, right? So when this gap gets filled with the next candle, touches the box and then breaks out of it, then that would be our entry, right? That's supply and demand basically. So boom, touch the box, fill the gap, and then we wait for the breakout, which is this candle right here, boom. So you would get the entry and put it on the previous high right there, and then pretty much start targeting the lows, liquidity, areas of liquidity. So I started marking areas where you could take profit. So I was just marking different lows. Yeah, but my ultimate goal was to touch the 4 hour zone. That's my ultimate goal. I like to get high risk rewards, so that was the goal. And it just started pushing, as you can see. So when it did this big of a push, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm holding this, like I'm confident. And I just kept pretty much holding. Let me drag this as it continues to go. And then we actually had news at 8:30, which I was waiting for, because I knew that if news went my way, then I was holding for the long run. So and let me show you, we had it right here at 8:30. I think I already showed it in one of my previous clips of this video, but yeah. So we're gonna wait for 8:30 to come, and we're gonna see the push to the downside. Let's see, it's pretty much doing a retracement, and then so I already reached my goal of the 4 hour zone, but since I knew news was coming, I was holding it just in case it ended up breaking through the zone, and then we could chase an even bigger risk reward. And then boom, it broke right through it, as you can see, 8:30. Big red candle. After I saw the break, I decided to go mark up the new area on the 4 hour right here, which was my target. As long as we reach this area, I would be able to pass a challenge with this trade. So basically, my TP was set somewhere down by here, right? Somewhere in this area, was my take profit to pass the challenge. And right here it reached like 110. This is where I got out early, around here, by like 40 bucks. And then I had to look for another trade to get in to make up those 40 bucks. I ended up losing a couple of trades until I found a perfect entry that got me to officially finish the challenge. And I'll show you the second trade entry and why I took it as well. So let's see, when is it that it comes? Okay, here it is. Let me go back. I went a little too far. So right here, I'm looking for the next trade to try to pass the challenge, because I'm about, by this point, I've lost a couple of small trades and it's put me about like $900 to $1,000 deficit. So that's all I needed to pass. As soon as I saw this, boom, I saw a supply zone right here and then a gap that needed to be filled right here. When it filled it, and then it broke it broke one of the candles in my direction right there. That would have been my entry. So my entry was right there, boom, and I put it above the previous high. And of course we had some drawdown, as you can see. And then my TP was about 30 pips, so around there. So we had some drawdown, almost got taken out but didn't. It pushed down, and yeah, then we had some consolidation, and boom, TP smacked. And that's pretty much it. Both trades that helped me pass the challenge. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I don't complicate things. I use Doral Exchange's strategy for the most part when it comes to entries. I use his supply and demand strategy for entries. I do have my own way of doing things. You know, I have my own twist to the strategy, but for the most part, the entry strategy is the same as his. But I'm not gonna go too much into detail as to how to get his strategy down, because that's his strategy, and if you want to learn it, you should learn it from him. I'm not here to, you know, give someone's information out for free when he, you know, made a course for it. This is basically just supply and demand. And I hope this made sense. I hope all of this made sense, because I'm not very good at analyzing, but this is what you guys want to see. It's what you guys keep asking for, more videos like this. So hopefully this you know, satisfies you guys, and hopefully I did it justice. But yeah, that's my AUD CAD analysis and why I took those trades that allowed me to pass this challenge in 2 days. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much me analyzing the trades that I took on AUD CAD yesterday and today. And yeah, AUD CAD just sold a lot. And I've been trading AUD CAD this whole week, and it's just been doing really good overall. So AUD CAD is definitely a pair that's staying on my list, because I've been pretty consistent with that pair so far, as well as NAS and US30, of course. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wasn't actually planning on even recording a video or making a video this week. I started recording this literally early this morning as my trade was getting close to hitting TP. So I never recorded me actually getting into the entry live or anything like that, because I wasn't planning on making this video. It just sort of happened, and I decided to just make it into a video. Yeah, I was gonna take this week off and maybe next week as well, because I have some things in my real life, you know, outside of this YouTube stuff that I've been doing that I'm taking care of, because I want, you know, I have some plans, some big things planned, you know, for myself and for my family. So, you know, I had to take, you know, I'm trying to work on taking care of that. So, you know, I wasn't planning on making a video, but don't be surprised if I don't upload next week, just because, like I said, I want to work on these things. The only way I'll upload is if once I get my funded account, if I get this crazy trade and I get this crazy payout or something, then I'll upload it, something, you know. But yeah, other than that, don't really expect a video next week. I'll probably be taking that week off unless something crazy happens. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, getting funded in 2 days with FTP. And you know, like I said earlier, hey, even profitable traders take L's and lose accounts. That's completely normal, and I want to be as transparent as possible with you guys. I don't want to hide anything from you guys. So when I lose accounts or anything like that, I will tell you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button down below and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I'm Kevin Ramos, where I post lifestyle stuff or just stories of my day-to-day life. If you guys want to check that out, just don't DM me asking trading questions, because I do not answer Instagram DMs. If you have a question, leave it down below in the comment section. So yeah, appreciate it. I think I've said everything I have to say for this video. It's a very short video, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully I do have something for you guys next week. Let me know what you guys think down below. below. Let me know what you guys would like to see as well down below. I already got a couple of video ideas from comments that I got in my previous videos, but some of them are a bit like, I don't know if I really want to do them. Like someone said, how do you calculate lot sizes? Make a video on that. Or someone said, make a video on my forex funds. I'm not a fan of my forex funds really, so I don't know. I feel like the lot size one has been done by, you know, you can just find that anywhere on YouTube. So but yeah, if you guys do want to see a video like that on how I calculate lot sizes, then let me know. The more comments I get about something, then the higher chance of me actually doing it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video once again, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember guys, I'm trying to get big, baby.